Welcome, welcome, welcome to this Hall of Fame interview. I have with me Alekhya. She's an IT professional and she has got some massive breakthroughs after starting her journey of inner child healing. And I can't wait to interview Alekhya. Welcome to the Hall of Fame interview, Alekhya. What would you like to share?
Yeah, thank you so much, Apurva. Actually, I am grateful to be interviewed by you. That is not that you are grateful to interview us, because you are my mentor, and for us, you are someone like uh, a go to person to whatever it is. You are our go to person, so we are so grateful for that. And I am an IT professional working in Infosys. I have been to this inner child healing from November. I have joined in November 2023, but I did not start from that place. I mean, I have gone through the masterclass of you in October, but somehow I have missed the last minutes, and I have missed to join into the community somehow. But and then in November, I thought, okay, I missed, and in the masterclass, I thought I was so and so much resonated with you, like uh, you are seeing whatever I felt, and all the things whichever you said, it was as if uh, you're saying to me, and I am so connected with you through the whole masterclass, and I felt I have to join this will perfectly will change my life. I felt it, but somehow I missed in October. But the minute I got the mail from you in November, I straight away joined. I didn't even think, but I have a doubt in my own self that maybe even I'm paying it, but will I do it? Will I be able to do it consistently? It is not the doubt on the mentor, it is the doubt on my own self, because maybe I will pay and I will just leave it alone, and don't do all this like that. But it happened. It actually happened what I thought, because the whole December I was literally very busy and I couldn't do it. And December 2023 was the most, the most thing. Maybe that is a memory which I can't even delete. It was the saddest moment which happened to me, and I was in very low depressed state that I always each and every minute I have suicidal thoughts. But I don't know why at that day you have called me. You have called me on some different thing. Alekia, you have joined this community, but you are not doing all these things and all. And at that moment I was really, I shifted. Yes, I have joined this community. I didn't even go through what it is there and what is there in that. This is a life changing one. I know in me this is a life changing one, but I didn't even open it and see what has been going through. And at that moment I came out, I took the courage, and no, I'm not going to die. Let me try what is there. I'm just trying it, right? Let me try, and then see. Then I started this journey from January. The first thing I started is 60 days journey, and in between I have gone through this 3-day inner child healing also. You have kept 3 days inner child
Yes.
healing, and I have attended all the 3 days. It was like so simple questions, but a lot of things came out of. My mind was not allowing me to bring them. I saw the resistance my own self in me. That was the first time. That was very first time I saw these all things. It was very new to me, this inner child healing and all. That was the first time I heard from your mouth. I don't even know what it is. The minute I saw your ad, why I registered into the master classes, what is, just to learn, just to see what is this inner child healing is about. I just enrolled, and the way you say and the way you explained us, it was like Balbon. Okay, this is something which is to know your own self, and we have so many patterns which we'll be going through just because of our childhood wounds. That was literally a new thing, for us we didn't even know these all things are been there in our mind. It was very 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 new to us. And the minute I joined and then I started that 60 days journey,
Yes.
writing those all, you know each video is very small,
Mm.
but doing each one is like breaking our own self. It
Mm.
was like not so deep. The first time I did, it was not deep. It was like, okay, going on somehow. It was like that because I was in depression, right?
Mm.
My things were not coming out. They are not coming out. I don't know. I thought, okay, this is the way how it goes. I just went on like that, and the 3 days healing was the first day where I came to know that the continuous 6 times of meditation we do, silent meditation. That day I
Practice
came to the
subconscious.
thoughts. Yes, that day I came into the thoughts.
Yes.
What is it? Until then, my brain was something like, it was blocked.
Amazing.
Nothing will show up, nothing will show up. Every day I think about the situation which happened to me in December. Every day, every minute I'm going to, but I'm again bringing back, I'm going again bringing back. Like, the whole January and February, you don't you don't trust me, but I saw only your videos. Whole whenever I get time, I saw your videos. Even in office na, I get for 5 minutes of time, I
Yeah.
go to your videos. Because why, I'll say why. That is because whenever I get some kind of thoughts, if I keep my mind empty, I'm getting some kind of thoughts. So what I did, I have this thing which I have to complete. I took it as if I am going to work. If we work, what we do, and our manager is on top of our head, what we do, we will do as if I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do this. The same way I did for the 2 months, January and February. I did it very very like consistently. Of course, some days are there I did not get time because of my office works, but still I did it.
Yes.
And I have almost finished your the other courses. There are many other courses,
Yes.
right, other than the 60 days journey. I
Yes.
have did almost all,
Wow.
at least half of all. The
Amazing.
Friday, you every time call for Friday calls, and the minute you call, you keep that meeting na. Just before that meeting, I was watching your video. It was like, I'm going through your own voice, your own voice is coming to me as if it has been always, your voice is always into my ear. It was
Super.
really, I came out of my depression just because of this, or else there is a no way.
Amazing, Alekhya. I
I
must
know
say.
there is no way.
I'm so proud of you.
And no one knows in the family of about it, I was in depression, they know it, but no one knows how I came out. No one knows how I came out, but this is the way how I came out.
Super, super. So I had a couple of questions for that, Alekhya. Um, uh,
Yeah.
I know you've been through a lot, and you were a warrior. Like, I know that every single day you would be just updating that this day done, and it was amazing to see the kind of progress that you're making, and the kind of changes that you're noticing. So. Um, I can understand that, you were going through your own stuff and you wanted some results, you wanted some answers to some of your questions. So if you can just quickly, just before that, I will. All right. So I would like to understand from you, Alekhya, what were the, some of the tangible outcomes that you were able to notice after starting this journey. I know you've lost some weight. You could also throw some light on that. How did that happen? And what are the other tangible outcomes and intangible? Of course, it starts with us, and then external, the outer manifestation happens, right? So please throw some light on that, Alekhya.
Yeah, actually, I already started from January, right? So from January, maybe in middle of January or something, I don't see my weight usually every day. But I have this thought that I have to get down of my weight because I'm not on my ideal weight. I'm not so heavy, but I'm not on my ideal weight. I know it. So, because I thought the minute I lose my weight, my family will be in their own path. My husband is having overweight. He wanted to get through it, but he's unable to. So I thought maybe the change will start with me,
Yeah.
but I don't know how I should start. That thought was there from many years, not from now, many years. But the minute I started the 60 days journey, after finishing of the 60 days journey only, I have saw my weight, and it reduced straight away 7 kgs. I was so surprised. How come I have lost my weight? I have been thinking this from many years. It did not happen. But I have lost straight away 7 kgs, and I don't feel any unhealthiness in my own thing. I am perfectly healthy. I'm eating good food. Everything is fine. And I thought, how come I reduced so much of weight? I don't know. It was due to 60 days journey. I did not think also. Uh, I thought, okay, fine, maybe. Then I thought some few days, the thought is given to my mind. The answer is not even not did not come from our mind. But I was thinking and thinking, and then someday it got clicked, like a bulb on. So you were loving yourself. The minute I started the 60 days journey, the first thing I did was I have stopped self sabotaging myself. Whatever has happened is just because of you. You have did wrong, you are doing something. That is what my own words to myself every day, every single day. But I stopped that. Why should I scold myself, my own self? In through the 60 days journey, you have taught us in that self sabotaging, or saying whatever the words that we are saying to our own selves will become real. And the minute I understood that particular point in your video, that was in some day, in some day of the 60 days journey, you have said that. And I felt like, yeah, why should I sabotage myself? Why should I scold my own self? Everyone are scolding, however, everyone will do some or the other thing. But
Yes.
why I should do for my own self as well? They are doing their duty. Why should I do the same thing to my? So the minute I saw those videos, yeah, the self love challenge also came in between. You kept 7 days of self love challenge. Even that changed a lot of me. That changed the self sabotaging have stopped after doing that. And I have stopped the self sabotaging maximum. Maybe in 1 or 2 times I have done in 60 days challenge, but maximum of the cases I have stopped. Then I have thought, okay, this is why I have lost my weight. Maybe this is why I'm loving myself. I've started loving myself. I don't even like to see myself in mirror. That's how I was. I don't like to see myself in mirror, maybe due because of the things which I have gone through from childhood. Due to my color, I have gone through many comparisons because of my color, and this was there in me. I have so much of inferiority in my own self just because of this. I don't like to see my own photos in my phone. I have hardly 10 photos of me in my phone. Hardly. I don't even like to take photos, even with my own family. I don't like to see those photos. And I don't like to see myself in mirror. I don't even get ready before going to office. I just go like a whiz. Just comb my hair without seeing into the mirror. I don't even make up. I just go as it is. That is how I was. But now, if you see me, I have done my hair. I'm taking care of my own self. I'm taking care of what I'm eating. It's not for weight loss or something. I'm taking care of what I am eating. It is not about calories. It is about the minute I eat something outside, I feel, oh, maybe I am doing bad for my body. I have got this awareness.
Yeah.
This awareness I got after doing this 60 days journey. I have got this awareness, and it was massive. I say, I say I changed my own self when you were saying, you were asking the questions in meetings every day in Friday calls, in a circle calls. When you're asking the questions, I'm understanding that, oh, I have changed this. Yes, yes, I have changed this. Yeah, I have gone through this. Yes, until unless you ask questions, we don't understand.
Yes.
The way, when we ask some questions to you, you don't give answers. You straight away give us questions
Yes.
because you think we are the intelligence. You always say this, you people are genius. It's not me. Every one of us are genius, and you need to find out what you are. And that way, the way you are asking questions, at that time I understood, and I got the bulb on that I have lost my weight just because of this. Because I have stopped myself sabotaging. I have started to love my own self, and then I started to do the practices what you are saying, and the shifts what I'm getting. I'm becoming happier in my own self. I'm becoming happier. Maybe I was not aware. I was not aware. Just I was not aware. So because of that, I am getting aware of everything, and because of which I came into this like I have lost my whole weight because of this. Maybe.
Wow. Wow. This is absolutely inspirational and inspiring, Alekhya. I feel so many people, this is what we have learned. Like I have learned in my journey that our body is super intelligent. Okay, it's super intelligent, and our body tends to accumulate weight when there is a lot of trauma. The body needs wants to protect us from that trauma, and that's the reason there's a lot of fat and there's a lot of accumulation that happens. And when we start to shed off our own patterns and shed off our own traumas, the body also realizes it learns different coping mechanisms rather than the traumatic coping mechanisms, right? So that's the reason we tend to lose weight. Even for me, when I gave birth to my daughter, and after starting my journey, I lost almost 20 kgs. So
Wow.
that was an amazing journey for me as well, and so many others have also, like Ritika, just a couple of days she shared that she has lost 5 to 7 kgs herself in this journey. This is absolutely, absolutely phenomenal, Alekhya, what you were able to get. And what I would also like to understand is, how has your relationship, your career, your money aspect, how are the other aspects improved after after starting this journey and joining the community?
Yeah, so this is the first thing. My weight is the first thing which I came through. But there are many other things, after the first 60 days journey, this is what happened. And a few of my triggers, like one or two of my triggers, have been healed. It was a miracle. Even I don't know it got healed, when we were going through the situations, right? The way how I react to something has been completely changed. Previously, for the same kind of situations, I used to get anger, and I used to throw everything and everyone, and I used to just go away from that particular situation. I'll run away because that is what I know since from childhood. That is what I know because since from childhood, the same situations have been repeating, the same thing has been repeating. But the minute after finishing this 60 days journey, I have understood, I have healed two of my triggers. The first trigger is when someone say I am wrong. I get so much of anger. I can't accept that. It is with everyone, it is very very natural. But when my own family say I am wrong, it hurts. But when such situation came after my journey, starting of my journey, I did not get anger. I was so calm, and I seriously I reacted as if, okay, fine, I don't do it the next time. I was surprised my own self by that. What, is it me who reacted like this? Oh, the minute I have got this, I have shared to you. I have shared in the group itself. Yes, this is the trigger I have got. And then I got the other trigger is like I straight away get angry when I am in stress. In work stress, mostly in work stress, I get so much of angry. Even a small thing, you keep a spoon from there to here also, I'll get angry. So later on, after starting this journey, I'm not getting angry on such small things. Okay, that is kept somewhere. Okay, what is going to me? What is happening to me? Nothing is happening to me. Why should I react in this way? That is how my shift happened in the first. But right now, I would say I have healed so many of my triggers. So many. I don't say I don't have any triggers. I have. But I have healed many. The way I react is like very calm. I'm getting angry. I don't say I have lost whole angry on me. I have my anger, but not on all small things. I have healed many of my triggers, like when my husband says something, I get so much angry or I get so much hurt. Either of the way. Either I get hurt or I get angry. But now I'm not getting angry. I'm very neatly saying my husband, conveying my husband, see, you said this. I got hurt. Can you please not repeat it? This is how I am starting to say him. The way how we communicate will reversely come to us. you know uh, Previously my husband used to say, I used to say to my husband, no one understands me, no one loves me, no one cares about me. This is the, like, what we say, jap I do every day. And every whenever the fight or something happens, I do this jap. He says, see, you do this jap every day, right? And then right now when I look at my own self, I'm not doing that job. You know why that changed and how that changed? In the healathon sessions, one day you said this one particular sentence: the person who triggers you is not your enemy, but the person or the blessing in disguise.
Yes.
That one sentence literally changed the whole thing to me. Even today, I remember the sentence because every minute I get triggered, I remember the sentence. And that one sentence changed the whole relationship of me with my husband. The minute you say, I used to get angry before, but now I don't see him as someone who's attacking me. I'm seeing it as, yes, this is what I have to get healed. The way of approach, how I see, has changed. Literally, it is being changed. And even in when my husband is a perfectionist, he has OCD. He need to see everything so neat and clean. I am a person who will never do that. Will never. But after most of these days, what I am doing, I'm getting to know. Yes, he is getting this trigger. I know it. So what I'm doing, I'm making it almost, at least not 100%. It is 80% I'm making not to get his trigger, because I know what is triggers. So I'm able to understand his triggers.
Yes.
So I'm changing it. You know,
Amazing.
I'm changing it in a better way, and that's how the relationship has changed. It has
Wow.
got a rollover, I can say.
Amazing.
It's a turnover, a lot of turnover, because boys also have their own triggers. They don't say. The minute I heal myself, I have zero emotion in me. I am able to understand his emotion. If I already have my own emotion, the minute he says something, I'll react in my own emotion. But now I'm not in my emotion. I'm in awareness. So I'm able to understand him.
Wow. It's an
That's how it
amazing
changed. And
journey.
there are still so many things. There are the changes are subtle, very small. But I seriously, I'm so happy seeing those changes. Happiness is not what we search. It is in us. It is in us. The minute we get healed, the happiness automatically comes to us. That's what I learned.
Amazing. Amazing. Amazing, Alekhya. Such beautiful transformation that you've gone through, Alekhya. Super. Super. Now, I would like to ask you, yes. All right. So, Alekhya, amazing, amazing stories, and the transformation that you've gone through, it's absolutely amazing and phenomenal. Alekhya, what would you like to say to the viewers of this particular video about our community? What is it that you have seen after becoming a part of the community, before joining the community? What is the difference that you notice, and what would you like to share to the viewers? What is it that you would like to share with them?
I would say, especially, I would say, especially to the persons or members who are going to get pregnant or before marriage. These people really need this. Not only those, the people who have already given birth, even though they also really need this inner child healing. Why I'm saying this is have a reason. Because I was able to understand my wounds just because I have a child. And you always say in our calls, while saying the healathon sessions, you always say the thing what is left out from our parents will come in our partners or children, whatever it is. The life is asking you to change. The universe, the God is asking you to change. When you'll change, you know, just by going through this inner child healing, we will understand what we are, which will make us stop the generational trauma to our own kids. Because I have specially seen in my own child, I used, I have saw my own voice, same like my mother and father, while I was talking to my own child. I don't like it. I always reject. I always reject the behavior of my mom and dad. I am rebellious since from childhood. And I always think, no, my child should not be like this. No, my child shouldn't go through like this. But I am staying with him. The always the way I reject, I did not get it. But you were always saying you need, after awareness, you need acceptance. The minute I stopped rejection and I have accepted, yes, these are the behaviors I have taken from my mom and dad. Yes, when I accepted it, I changed. Not when I rejected,
Yes.
but when I have accepted it, I changed. So I would really recommend whoever is going to get married or going to give birth to your children, it might be first or second, please get into this inner child healing. This will stop our generational trauma not to pass into our child. They are very sensitive. Even I did not see him as a person before joining this. I have read many books. I'm a reader. Basically, I'm a reader. I'm a person who will always search about something else. Always I'll do research. So, but when I came into this community, I felt the thing that I changed in me, I'm able to see in my child. I'm able to understand my child so nicely. Yes, there are situations I am not able to understand him, but when I understand why I'm not able to understand him, because that is because of my emotion. I am scolding him because I got triggered. It is not him. The children are so. No child is a perfect person. No. So, if we get healed, our whole circumstances will get healed automatically. The person who is know the core values what you want. When we don't know what we want, how you are going to search the same thing in your partner? No, right? I don't know what my value is. I don't know what I value, and I'm going to search for that thing in the person who I'm going to marry. Like it is something like I did not get from childhood something, so I am going to get from my husband.
Mm.
It
Yes.
will be like this.
Yes.
If we don't understand our own values, the core values, what we are not going to get, or we are not going to attract a perfect person that what we want. And if we are not in a calm state, we cannot teach our kids what we want. Everyone want our kid to be something, but after joining this community, I want my kid to be happy, nothing else. Let him be happy. He wanted to play with mud, okay, go. He wanted to play in rain, yes. Stopping them is a fear for us. We are fearing for something and stopping them. But when we take the perfect precautions, we don't have to stop them to do something.
Absolutely.
When will that happen? When we heal ourselves. When we heal ourselves, then only the persons will be able to see the other person through. Right now, when someone is reacting to me, I just feel like, oh, maybe he had this wound. And then I laugh for my own self. I like, oh God, I'm judging him. No, no. The best thing in this community is no one will judge the other person. We have a very safest place where we can be vulnerable enough and say our things, because this is the place where no one will judge us. Outside world is everywhere. The minute we enter somewhere, we enter a room, there are 100 members who judge us, but this is a room where no one will judge. You can be the most vulnerable person you want, and you can heal yourself. This is the best thing in this community. And I have so many friends in this community, and we all heal our own selves. The minute we get some doubt, Apurva, you are not always, you can't be always, we have so many members, you can't always come to each and every person and say, what is this? You can't help each and every person, but we inside the community help each and everyone. uh, when Sai Gita or someone else comes to me, Alekia, I am going through this. I seriously say how I came through this. When I am helping her, I feel so satisfied for my own self. And when something happened, I'm journaling. You taught us how to journal. I'm journaling it, and that's how my emotion is going out. And when see this is how we have got so much from this community. This is like, I feel this is a best thing which has happened to me. And all the viewers, whoever it is, I really recommend getting into this inner child healing. Whatever it is, the inner child healing is the most important to each and every individual, not women, not men, everyone. Everyone need this. Even I felt men have most wounds than women, because
Mm,
women somehow say,
yeah.
men doesn't say. They keep everything inside.
Mm,
After I have seen my husband and child, I got to know this. Of course, after going through the journey itself, I am able to see the wounds in them.
yes.
And I was like, whenever I am seeing my child or talking to my child, my inner voice will say, maybe you are creating some wound to him. Don't do that.
Mm,
Be calm.
yeah.
That is how I have changed. So I recommend everyone to go through this. Everyone, not single. That is how we get peace. We are able to see so many wars happening. There are so many cases happening in India and outside also. I feel really sad. Oh, I whenever I see such thing na, maybe if this inner child healing was being there to them,
Yeah.
maybe this wouldn't have happened. I just
Yes.
feel this.
Yes. So true, Alekhya. Thank you so much for sharing such deep knowledge about what you have gone through and what you recommend to the viewers. And I totally second you on the way you have so beautifully you have shared the journey and how you can see the reflection of what was incomplete with your parents getting repeated with your partner and then passing it on to your children, which is so true, right? The universe wants us to learn the lesson, and it keeps on creating these incidences, these situations, and these people who are there to teach us the lesson, but we take it as a trigger. We blame the other person. We take it into an external, we take it as an external stimulus rather than considering that there's something within that needs to heal or that needs to be repaired, right? So thank you so much, Alekhya. I think this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. One last question to you. What, according to you, is your success principle that you truly follow or you have learned over the time?
Uh, my main success principle that I have learned through my whole thing journey is keep a goal, work for it, achieve it. The goal need not to be like a big one, and you can't, you inside you know what, you can't do that. A small goal, that even your behavioral change is also a goal.
Yeah,
Healing yourself is also a goal. Healing your own pain body is also a goal. So keep a goal, work for it. If there is no change in what you do, you cannot see the change outside.
absolutely.
If even this is being taught by you, the goal setting and all the things you have taught us. Previously, I was not in that goal setting or something, but the minute I have seen your videos of goal setting, yeah, I am doing it. I am setting my goal, and even I shared with my husband when he is following the same principle. We are setting some goal,
Mm.
and we are going through it, and like and we are working for that particular goal. So
Mm.
if you want to achieve something, you need to change in your own things. If that has not been done, nothing will change. You go, you just we just wake up, do our work, sleep.
Absolutely.
Nothing is gonna change. If we need change, the change will be from us. It's us.
Super. Superb. Superb. Thank you. Thank you so much, Alekhya, for sharing this amazing insight on your success principle. And yes, it is so important, right? Usually we are so drama focused. We get sucked into the drama of the day-to-day life, but we tend to ignore the goal part of it. And when we become goal focused is when we truly, truly manifest and attract a lot of good things in our life. Thank you so much for sharing that, Alekhya. Thank you so much. And viewers of this particular video, thank you so much for watching it till the end. And if you are inspired, if you're someone who's truly, truly inspired with what Alekhya shared, do share it with us. What is it that you were inspired? And if you have not become yet a part of the community, join the community. That's where the real change, the real transformation lies. So thank you so much once again for watching the entire video. Thank you so much, Alekhya, once again for being here on this and being an inspiration, being an inspiration for so many of people who are watching your video right now. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you so much. That I'm so grateful that I am in this journey, and I'm so grateful that I am able to inspire someone. And
Super.
my journey inspires someone, then I'm so blessed. I'm so
Absolutely.
blessed. And
Absolutely.
thank you so much, Apurva, for being there for us for every single time. Whatever we go through, thank you so much.
Thank
We
you.
really we are really blessed to have you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Alekhya. Love you so much.
We love you too. Thank you so much.
Superb, superb. Uh, do share your comments. Do share what you learned from this particular video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.